Welcome back to another video, everyone. Adding video overlays in CapCut on PC is the perfect way to level up your edits. Whether you want to add reaction videos, B-roll, effects, or picture-in-picture clips, overlays help make your content more dynamic and eye-catching. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to Tutor for more similar tutorial videos like this one. So the first step in adding overlays in CapCut for PC is to import the videos to our new project. So I'm going to tap on this import option right here, and then I'm going to add these two videos, which I'll use as an example for this tutorial. Once I import my videos, I'm going to add this first video, which is going to go over to my main track in the project. And that can be a video which you're reacting to, for example. And the overlay which we're going to add is the video of you reacting to it. So I'm going to select the second video clip, which is the overlay video. If I try and add it to the main timeline, it's just going to play after my first video. And that is not what we want. You'll drag the second video over the first video, so make sure it's right above our main video clip. But when I play it once again, it's going to play in full screen like this. So since we've added the second video as an overlay, I can click on the corner of this overlay and then make it smaller, and you can see that we now see our first video clip. So make this overlay a bit smaller and then position it in your video frame. You can also use the tools at the right side of the screen to rotate your video. Add keyframes, make the opacity of the video lower, and many, many more things. But that is essentially how you can add overlays in CapCut for PC. If you have any other video idea for me, please leave them in the comment down below, and I'll make sure to cover that topic as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.